Hi everyone, in this video we will see the operation of off-wave rectifier. A off-wave rectifier converts or transforms a alternating current into a direct current. This rectifier allows only one off cycle of the AC voltage waveform to pass while blocking the other off cycle. The circuit consists of three main components: a diode, a step-down transformer, and a resistive load. If we look at the operation, when we give a high AC voltage to the primary side of the step-down transformer, a secondary low voltage is delivered to the diode. Now the diode is forward biased during positive off cycle of the AC input. When the diode is forward biased, it acts as a closed switch and it delivers a current to the resistive load. So if you give a negative off cycle, so during negative off cycle, the diode is reverse biased and it is acting as a open switch since no current can flow to the load, so that the output voltage is equal to 0. So if you look at the waveform of off-wave rectifier, it is a pulsating DC waveform. So what we have to do is we have to use a filter to convert this pulsating DC waveform into a continuous DC waveform. So generally the capacitors or inductor may be used for this purpose. So if you look at the operation of a rectifier without capacitor, the output voltage is discontinuous and it is a pulsed DC waveform. In order to smoothen the waveform or to make it continuous, we need to add a capacitor filter in the output side. So if you see the working of parallel capacitor, it is basically used to maintain the constant voltage at the output side, and also it decides the amount of ripple content present in the output voltage. If you look at the operation of rectifier with the capacitor, during positive off cycle, the diode is forward biased and the capacitor gets charges as well as the load gets a supply. So during negative off cycle of AC input, the diode is reverse biased and it will be acting as an open switch, so during which the capacitor supplies a stored energy in it. So we can say that if the more the energy storage capacity, less the ripple content in the output waveform. Thank you.